name is.
This is Auntie.
This is Auntie Nancy from El Cerrito.
That's right. Show us what we're going to have tonight, Auntie.
Okay, we're going to have sukiyaki. Our first course will be cucumbers with as a salad with rice noodles and vinegar.
Beautiful.
And it comes in a package, so all we had to do was open the package and put the cucumbers.
Very simple.
And Jennifer has washed the spinach, and it's in a red bowl. And then we have beef sukiyaki, and we have organic tofu.
Oh yes.
Medium firm. And then we have rice noodles, and shiitake mushrooms, and renkon, which is lotus root.
Right.
And we have heirloom tomatoes from.
Heirloom tomatoes. Whoa.
And then the sauce is sukiyaki sauce with fish broth and soy sauce and sake and aji mirin, which is a Japanese sweetening, and sugar.
So we'll be putting all of these items here into the hot pot as we sit around the table. And as they cook, we'll pull them out and eat them, and we'll have sukiyaki. Thank you, Auntie.
Jeannie, you didn't get your eggs, did you now?
I did.
You did?
It's right. So we're cooking.
So Jeannie, does this go in here, the salad?
Yes, that's your salad bowl. And then there's